We will guide you through how to replace Word in Nitro PDF. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your computer desktop. Double-click Nitro to launch the Nitro PDF shortcut program. Wait a few moments while Nitro PDF finishes loading completely and displays its main window before proceeding to the next step. Click on Open, select Computer, and then press Browse to open a File Explorer window where you can search for your PDF document. Navigate through your folders until you locate the document that you want to edit. Then select your desired file from the File Explorer window and press Open to load it into Nitro PDF. After your document opens, take a look at the top ribbon navigation tabs and locate the Home tab. Navigate to the Home tab bar and click it once with your left mouse button to display the available editing tools. Look through the toolbar panel below it and locate the Edit tool button. Click on the Edit button once to enable text editing mode on your document page so the document becomes ready for modification. Move your cursor over to the page and click directly on the word you want to change. A bounding box frame will instantly appear surrounding the text paragraph to indicate that the text can now be edited. Next, click and drag across the specific word to highlight it, or simply double-click on the word directly to select it. After the word is selected, press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard to clear out the target word. Type in your new replacement word into the blank space inside the text frame. When you have finished entering the new word, click anywhere on the blank white canvas outside the bounding box to apply the changes. You will immediately notice a visual difference as the new word replaces the original text seamlessly. Finally, press the Ctrl and S keys together on your keyboard to save the updated document.